fresh from the vine, bursting with flavor, sweet, not watery, neither bland. Have you bitten into a tomato like that? The first time I grew tomatoes at home completely changed my outlook on food and gardening. I did not have a big backyard or fancy tool, just a small space, some containers, and just a little curiosity, which is just how I know you can begin your tomato growing journey. It is not about saving money when growing tomatoes at home. Growing tomatoes at home is about being in control, having them fresh, and the simple beauty of watching something you planted come to life. If you want to learn how to grow tomatoes outdoor on your balcony or keep them alive in a greenhouse throughout the year, the process is very simple once you understand what it needs. The first is selecting the right variety to suit. Most tomatoes variety should suit outdoor conditions as long as they get enough sun. But if your idea is growing tomatoes indoor throughout the year, you should choose compact indoor-friendly types like cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, or dwarf tomatoes that grow small, do well in containers, but produce a lot of fruits. Next is the container. Tomatoes love space for their roots, so take a pot that is at least 12 to 18 inches deep with good drainage holes. A large container means a healthier plant and more tomatoes infilled with quality potting soil, not garden soil, as potting soil drains better and prevents root disease. This is where indoor tomato growing really comes shining light. Tomatoes are sun lovers, and indoors they need help. A sunny window usually isn't enough, usually in winter. This is where grow lights comes in. A simple LED grow light placed a few inches above the plant can mimic sunlight and keep your tomatoes thriving year round. Aim for 12 to 16 hours of light a day. Once you set this up, you'll unlock the secret to continuous indoor harvest. Plant your seeds or seedlings, water them carefully, and observe carefully. Overwatering is the most common error made by novices, of which tomatoes like moist soil, not soggy roots. Water when the top inch of the soil feels dry. As the plants grow, you will notice small yellow flowers forming. Indoors, there are no bees to help, so gently shake the plant or tap the flowers with your fingers to help with the pollination. Weeks go by, and as the plant matured with great weight from fruit, this is where support matters. Use small sticks or cages to support the plant. A supported plant puts its energy into growing tomatoes instead of struggling to stand. Welcoming the fruits of one's labor has to be one of the most gratifying experiences. Big tomatoes, when they're fully colored and slightly soft to the touch, they taste best when fully ripe on the vine. And here's the magic of indoor growing. Conditions are controlled, so this plant can continue to produce for months. Remove dead leaves, continue feeding with balanced fertilizer, and your plant will reward you once more. Growing tomatoes at home teaches patience, care, and consistency. It teaches that the good things do not come instantly, but absolutely worth waiting for. From that tiny seed to your first homegrown bite, it is a journey everyone could take, even in a small part. This guide help you. And are you eager to have more simple and practical tips on growing food at home? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week brings you new videos on how to grow smarter, healthier, and more confidently from home.